We got some of the Dodge Demon pens that just came out. We're going to open one for you. Both of us are very excited about this new package.
Look, it comes in a fancy case. It says Dodge Demon Collectible Noise Pen.
That means it makes noises.
I hope it's not too cold from being outside.
And
oh, there it is. Look at this.
We got
it's a
four of
cushy
them.
Case. We got 3.
Oh, we got 3 pens. All right.
Look how big this thing is.
All right.
All right, now somehow
Does battery work? We gotta check that. You know that's
there's
cool.
the microphone right there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right, it's supposed to only play at least 250 times.
That's why we got 3 of them, because at least one's going to be for display, and we'll have, you know, another one to play like this.
Okay, so you twist it like this to open it and close it.
Yeah.
Let's see how it writes. Okay, it passes the writing test.
It's a regular pen. We've established that.
But here's the cool thing.
That is not going to get old.
All right. As we get more stuff, we'll keep you guys updated. Bye.